Who could this flag thief be? Of course we're flying through that waterfall. It's the only way we can get to Pirate Island. Whee! Relax, Pineapple Wilson. Hey there, pirates.
Ahoy, Capitano!
Hey, Captain Claw.
You got here right here on the dot.
Of course I got here on time. We pilots are always on time, Captain Claw. So, do you have it?
Here it is.
Wow, amazing. Pirata will love it.
The silver siren flag stitched in silver. It's a rare wonder. The silver siren was a very mysterious mermaid. So mysterious that not a soul beheld her. Hold on tight to this here rare wonder.
Keep an eye out. Me own flag got snatched by a scallywag only 2 days past. Under me own whiskers, I saw not a thing.
For a little while now, there's been a sneaky flag thief in our midst. Many thefts have been reported.
Who could this flag thief be?
We don't know, but I do hope someone will find out who that sneaky snatch is and catch him.
Thanks for the heads up, you two.
Fair winds, Capitano!
And thanks for the flag, Captain Claw.
Come on out, Gully. Oh, no. If you want your little treat, bring me that flag. That flag will soon be mine.
Surprise, Pirata!
Huh? What is it? Spyglass? A box of jelly beans? A book of pirate tricks?
No, and no.
I don't know. I give up. No, Cat. Any ideas?
Open it.
Wow! The silver siren flag! Amazing! Oh, thank you, Capitano.
You're welcome, but watch out. Captain Claw said there's a sneaky flag thief out there.
The silver siren flag is safe on board the Pink Skull. Yay! Lost in barnacles! That's my flag! Bring it back this instant!
I'll get it.
I'm coming too.
You sure you want to go in that seaplane, Pirata?
Yes, I want my present back.
Pirata, get ready to grab that flag.
I said, give me back my flag!
Wow, that Seagull sure can roll and loop. You okay, Pirata?
Yeah, I guess I'm okay.
Well, hang on tight because this time I won't let it get away.
Blasted barnacles! It got away, Capitano!
That Seagull's pretty sly, but don't worry, we'll catch it.
Maybe she hid on that island. There, Capitano! Look at all those flags! Hey, it's Barbudo!
Barbudo? That's strange. I saw him on Pirate Island earlier.
Always up to no good, that one.
Good work, Gully. Here you go. You earned your little treat. And back in you go. Oh, at last, the silver siren flag is mine. It shall be the prize piece of me collection.
The stolen flags! They're all there!
We're going in.
Hey, Barbudo!
Oh.
Give us back our flag, you thief!
Get out of here, or you'll get a taste of me putrid plankton pellets!
I think we need backup.
Seaplane over to Pink Skull. Do you read me?
Loud and clear, Pirata.
Set course for 51 degrees south and 40 west. We found the thief.
Unfurl the mainsail.
Woohoo! Mainsail unfurl! Set sail for adventure!
Good riddance. Me plankton pellets set them on their way.
We have to find a way to get those flags back and free that poor little seagull.
We could run Barbudo off the island by launching smelly scallops.
We don't have any.
I could just grab the flags and ninja chop Barbudo.
Too risky.
I could harness myself to the plane and grab the flags in flight without setting foot on the island.
Great idea, Capitano! The rest of us can free the seagull. And I think I know how. Roberto, I'll need your help.
Me? Why me? It's my finest dish towel. Barbuda won't be able to resist. I'd steal it if it weren't mine.
I hope our plan works.
Now that I have a flag, I'll need a name too. Roberto Gazpacho. No, that's no good. Roberto Jalapeno. No. Roberto the Maestro. Now that has a nice ring to it. I like it.
Yeah, great plan, Pirata. Ha! Pineapple Wilson, time for takeoff.
Let's go, me hearties.
When I'm through stealing every last flag, I'll be the greatest pirate of the 7 seas. Not so fast, Gully. You have to earn your treats first. What's this I see? I've never set eyes on such a fair and fine flag. Time to get to work, Gully. If you want this here treat, fetch me that there flag.
Get ready, Weeboo.
Aye, aye.
Hang on. Go! Don't worry, little seagull. You're safe here with us.
Pirata, ye rapscallion! Give me back Gully! No one steals from Barbudo!
Take over, Pineapple Wilson. All's clear. Going closer. Here I go. Got one.
Here, rapscallion!
Pineapple Wilson, quick! Swoop in on Barbudo!
I'm under attack!
Time to get the rest of the flags! Come on! Yeah.
Oh no! Me precious flags! And me Gully! I've nothing left!
No one will lock you up again, little seagull. Huh? Jumping jellyfish!
Yoo-hoo! Look what I've got!
You don't have to go back to Barbudo, little seagull. You're free now. You can return to your flock.
Me Gully! Me jolly precious Gully! Come back to Papa!
You can't keep this seagull prisoner, Barbudo.
But Gully loves her cage and her little treats!
You're free to go, seagull.
Good girl. Come to Papa, Gully. That's it. Good girl. Hey! a treat! As many as you want! Come back!
I believe this belongs to you, Mr. Fiddlepinch.
Oh, the precious flag. You got it back. Thank you.
What are you waiting for? I set up the masts on the beach so you can show off your flags.
Great, let's go.
The silver siren flag truly is a treasure.
To me, it's worth more than gold, because it was given to me by a friend with a heart of gold. Let's hear it for Capitano! Hooray!
On the open seas, from the east to the west, finding treasure isles is a special quest. When the wind blows, catch the tide and ride the waves, we're not afraid. Set the sails, off we go.